Hey everyone, MyNamesTee, a community manager and head tester here on Velora.tv. It has been a while since you've seen an upload from us on our YouTube channel, so I figured it's best that we make a "Here's What You've Missed on Velora.tv" video. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's get started. Starting with the first change, we have refreshed our stream keys. As part of a commitment to keep up to date with our security and user protection, or creator protection, stream keys and YouTube connection tokens have been refreshed, so if you are unable to go live, please make sure that you enter your correct stream key to continue streaming on the gold standard of streaming. Not only that, we have decided to remove SRT, or Secure Reliable Transport, streaming from Velora. Our reasoning for doing this is we have been continuously receiving reports that SRT is not working as intended, leading to audio not sounding great, video looking stretched, distorted, and just not functioning right. Plus, it has been a hassle for us to keep fixing the protocol. So that, paired with the user reports we have gotten from our lovely creators, we have decided to remove SRT support entirely. In an unexpected surprise, a feature that has been removed in the first few months of Velora's lifecycle is returning soon. That's right, AV1 streaming is returning soon, supported via WebRTC via simulcast. Soon, with the return of AV1, your streams have never looked this cleaner, sharper, leaner, and basically eye candy to look at. On top of that, we have also improved the playback for users using Chrome or Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera GX, Opera, Brave, whatever browser is based on Chrome, thanks to some audio fixes that was detected by me. We also have a surprise for those who wish to use the power of WebRTC, but don't know what to do in terms of settings, video encoding settings, audio, OBS, what have you. We are in the process of developing a specialized plugin that allows you to install it to OBS, click Start Streaming via the plugin, and instantly go live under our WebRTC or WIP streaming protocol without touching a single setting. We believe that this will help making streaming to Velora very easy and as hassle-free as possible. Another thing that we are working on is improved servers. Have you ever watched a live stream, but the servers or the stream takes forever to load and get to your side? Well, we are in the process of rolling out new servers in dedicated locations, thanks to research and proper routing techniques that we are deploying in stages to ensure things are going smoothly. What this means for you is streams load faster, streams run smoother, and you'll be able to watch streams on servers that are closer to your general location. There is another thing that is new to Velora that you guys have not seen yet. Introducing announcement commands. To make use of said announcement commands, I will zoom in like so. Refer to this announcement right here. You can use /announcement commands with color options, as well as various chat formatting tools like italics, bold, or just normal messages. The colors that are currently supported are blue, gold, green, red, orange, and coral color. We have also refreshed profile cards when clicking someone's username in the chat. Threaded replies have also gotten an improvement. This way, you can see replies that are added to a thread to keep track, as well as keep up to date with the conversation that is happening in chat. Chatbots, including our unofficial StreamerBot plugin, can now use channel / commands that match your permissions. So, if you haven't updated the plugin, please do so to take full advantage of this. We've also done a fix for channel point features. You can now hide and show specific redemption rewards by hiding them under selected categories. For example, you have 3 rewards. 2 rewards you want to do for a just chatting stream, an IRL streaming, and the 3rd one is for a horror game where it plays a scary sound effect. And those filtered rewards will only show if the stream is streaming under a specifically selected channel category. We've also improved Browse Clips. For clips, we now allow you to sort by the newest, the oldest, from title A to Z and Z to A. The /browse page remembers your sort preference. This uses your browser's local storage. So be careful when clearing out your cookies, as this will clear out your preferences in return. We've also improved the ticker chat mode on our chat overlay v2. Find the video for that in the description down below. You can now set the scroll direction to right to left or left to right. Another important and pretty nice update is that Steam Next Fest has its own category now. As you have seen, Steam does host some Next Fest as well as some good game demos that are of games that are coming soon to the Steam platform. And we think the Steam Next Fest category would be a perfect fit for if you're gonna go diving into those Steam Next Fest demos. Now, here's something for those who want to test their streams but don't want anyone else to see. We now have added a category called Testing, No Browse. Be warned that if you do pick this category, your stream will not appear in our browse page, but it will only be seen by those who have already followed you on your Velora channel. This is great for if you want to test your stream. Test to see if your video settings are right, your sound is right, the game is fine, the sound and everything that you wanted to adjust is fine. And for our final change, we have done a massive category cleanup, reducing the confusion and increasing the speed of how you set up your streams, sparing those crucial seconds where you have to go live in under a certain hour or 2. Note that game additions are no longer accepted, as this will clog the category selector and the list of games a bit too harshly. And of course, for our mobile side, we did push an update for 2.0.17 for both Android and iOS. That is all we have for you on Here's What You've Missed on Velora.tv. It was a jam-packed week and a jam-packed half of the month. And you may have noticed that our logo was changing pride flags during the whole time I was recording this video. It is a small special touch to celebrate the Pride Month and the rest of our creators who just so happens to be part of the LGBTQ community. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are looking forward for more videos, please do consider subscribing to the official Velora YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-tos, showcase videos, and now catch-up videos such as this one are to be expected. See you next time.